Hello, I'm David Wilton.
And I'm Elizabeth Taylor from TPAS Cymru.
So I want to talk to you today about Tenants at the Heart. The Regulatory Board for Wales, who are the people who advise the Housing Minister, are doing a detailed review of Tenants at the Heart. What does that really mean? Naturally, TPAS Cymru are involved in that.
So they've now reached phase 2 and they want to hear from tenants, residents, housing staff and anyone else really. Welsh Government have developed an online survey tool to get your views. So the survey is for residents, so tenants, leaseholders, shared owner and other residents, staff members, board members and stakeholders too, so thinking about all staff that are involved with residents too. When I did the survey myself, the first slide I thought, oh my goodness, this is really long, but once you get into it, it's really short. It's just the first question that's really long, so don't let that bother you.
So what's the survey about? It's really about trying to get to the essence of what is resident involvement in Wales. Welsh Government, TPAS Cymru, we all want to really get back to that fundamental point of how can tenants influence the decision making and the direction of the landlord. So the deadline of the survey I think is the 10th of April, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10th of April.
And in April too, the Welsh Government are going to be running focus groups to explore the results. If you would like to take part in the focus group, you can add your details on at the end of the survey, but the numbers are limited, so please do get involved. The survey should only take about 5 minutes, so give it a go. Thank you very much.
Cheers.